Hey guys, welcome back to another walking video. And this morning we are in one of my favourite little spots. It's a little park in North Devon, in the Ilfracombe area. It's just such a nice little place. I love it. Whenever I need to ground myself, I just come here. It's just stunning. Such a nice little place. It's so pretty. Beautiful little church over there. Someone else having a morning stroll. Nice little bandstand there. We're in the summer, sometimes we have live music. Nice little spot. One of my friends done her gender reveal here. It's nice to hear the little birds singing in the morning. It's one of my favourite sounds in the world. And the sea, of course, is also a favourite. So I hope you've enjoyed this short walking video. A beautiful little bandstand park in Ilfracombe. There's just one more panoramic view of it. And now we're going to go for a short walk down to Stony Beach. There's a landmark theatre based in Ilfracombe. And you can easily recognise it by the big things up here. I've forgotten their name. They're locally known as Madonna's boobies, which is quite amusing. Another view. Beautiful sunny day today, and it's not too chilly as well for January, which is nice. Here we are. This is on the stretch going up to the Ilfracombe harbour. And just before you get to the harbour, you've got this stony beach here, which it looks like tide's out, or going out at the moment, which is nice. If that's the case, I may well be able to get onto Tunnels Beach today and do a walking video there, which would be great. This is definitely somewhere I come when I need to ground myself, or I've got things in my mind that I need to think about. And it's just the perfect way to, you know, be with nature. Yeah, it's a wee bit windy this morning. So, and just up there, there's a beautiful coastal path called Capstone. So I will be doing another walking video there at some point very soon, over the next couple of days. Just look at this place. We've got some absolutely beautiful places on our doorstep in the UK. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this walk today. Until the next one, thank you for joining me.